It's unboxing time! Today, we're unboxing the Phrozen's new printer, the Sonic CS Plus, designed for chairside 3D printing, and the Phrozen Heat Mix Unit, a hands-free resin mixing station. Shout out to the Phrozen team for sending us the units for testing and review. However, this isn't a sponsored video, and we are not being paid to share our opinions, only a genuine first impression from a dental professional's perspective. Without further ado, let's jump right into unboxing. First up, the Phrozen Heat Mix, compact and well-built at 41.6 by 20 by 19.2 cm and weight 4.5 kg. Designed to help you prevent failed prints by ensuring your resin stays at the right temperature and consistency. In the box, you'll find a power cable and the station itself. Now, let's look to the specs. The maximum heater temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. Its bottle size is up to 95 mm by 225 mm. Power at 24 voltage 5A and ready to power at 100 watts. One of the most notable features is the selection of mixing modes, such as hidden shake mode. It helps reach the optimal resin temperature and condition to prevent print failures. Quick shake mode for casual pre-printing prep, and constant shake mode to have your resin ready for the next pour. For details, check out the video in the description to learn how resin temperature affects print success. The Phrozen Heat Mix Station is compatible with most 500 and 1000 grams round or square resin bottles, adding extra flexibility to your workflow. Now, onto the Phrozen Sonic CS Plus printer. 38 by 36 by 55 cm in measurement, weighted 22 kg. It features an aluminum body and a sleek black transparent hood, so you can monitor your prints in real time. In the box, you will find the printer itself with an onboard camera that allows you to remotely monitor print progress and record time lapses. A standard kit build plate, resin bed, a mini kit build plate, resin bed, a toolbox including warranty card, gloves, plastic funnel, metal and plastic scraper, T-hex wrench, USB, DS slicer, AC cable, Wi-Fi antenna, magnetic dust filter, and sandpaper. LCD type resin 3D printer, 385 nm UV LED, 22 by 22 microns XY resolution, 50 and 100 microns layer thickness. Print speed up to 100 mm an hour. Operating temperature range 25 plus to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Compatible with PRZ and CTB file format. 7-inch touch panel. Supports USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Runs on 100 to 240 voltage AC, 50 to 60 Hz, and 240 watts rated power. So, what are the use cases for the CS Plus? Same-day dentistry ready with print speeds of up to 100 mm an hour. You can go from design to patient delivery in as little as 45 minutes. Ideal for same-day crowns, models, and surgical guides. The dual kit flexibility, it comes with a mini kit for faster prints, lower resin usage, less post-processing. A standard kit for higher output with larger printing capacity, so you can choose the setup that fits your workflow. Over the next few weeks, we'll be running real-world tests, covering everything from printer accuracy and reliability to chairside integration and software ease of use. If you're serious about integrating or upgrading your in-house 3D printing, you need to follow along. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe here on YouTube and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for the latest updates.